Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change language on this kind of Sony Walkman devices. So previously I have uploaded a video about reviewing the Sony Walkman and I have sold those and I bought this one again. So main reason for selling those devices because those devices didn't have like Bluetooth on it, but those were also really good Sony Walkman devices and I really like Sony Walkman over iPod because they have like physical buttons. I like physical buttons than scroll wheel and anything else. Also have like volume buttons and everything here, so that's why I really like Sony Walkman. So in this video, mostly if you buy this kind of Sony Walkman nowadays, maybe you will get the Japanese one. If you get like US one, it will have English language, but if you buy the Japanese one, from the device you can't really change the language. You have to use your PC, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the language, and it will be really easy trick, and it's supported almost all the devices and you can try on your device, because if it is not supported on your device it will say that you can't change the language on your device. So because I have reviewed, as I said, Sony Walkman few months back maybe. So one of those devices I could not able to change language because it was not supported. So I will put that video on the description below, you can check it too. So let's go with this video, and today I'm going to show you that how you can change. So let me show you. As you can see, this device is running on Japanese, and you can see that this device is NW S786, and it is a 32 gig model, so it will work on almost all of them. So let's do it. And so we are in our Windows screen now. So there is one file to download. First of all, what you have to do is download this one and turn off your Windows security, because sometime they will give you trouble. And now just extract this file. So 7zip extract here. So we got the file here, and open this, and just here the command prompt are here. So as you can see here, I just put the command here. It is really easy command, 2 of them, so we have to copy and just paste. So as we are in the folder, so just open the folder, and in the search bar, where is the path bar, you just write cmd. So if you write cmd, it will open the command prompt. Now what we have to do is that is just copy the command. So first one, so here as you can see, E here is actually your device path. So first of all we connect the device so that you can see. So if I connect the device, it will show the connection, and Sony Walkman E, as you can see here, Sony Walkman E is my drive name. So it could be different in your case, so you have to change that if you have different one. So let's copy this one and copy, and we will going to paste here. So if I paste here and enter, so as you can see here, the destination J is O, that means Japanese is opened. So now we will turn it off and turn on the English language. So we will set U. Okay, so we can now do that, set U off. So copy this command prompt and paste it here. Okay, so now it says destination successfully changed. So now you have to do reset your device. So now we can disconnect the device. It is really easy. So after disconnecting your device, let it boot. Yes, we are in the device now. So we can go to setting and just click once here and go down and open, and again one here before USB. Okay, back. So go to USB, on top of USB click here and click OK again, and just yes, let's reset the device. So as you can see, it is now in English. It's showing English now, and as you can see here, we are in English menu now. There are few things which will not change to English, as you can see, 2 of them. Rather than that, everything will be changed. As you can see here, even music player and everything's are changed now, and everything working. And one of the thing about this trick actually, so it will not format your device. So if you have any music and anything like that, they will stay there. So as you can see here, all of my music are here. So and all of them work just fine. So in this way you can change your language of your Sony Walkman. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.